Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem on Instagram when you see action blocked. So for fixing it you just need to forget about your account for some days. So it depends on the situation, sometimes it's few days, sometimes few hours. It's just temporary block from Instagram, so just wait until Instagram will unblock these actions for you and you will be able for making these actions again. So also you can try to close your Instagram app and just open it again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So after you need to open Sound Data, you just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to rest your phone. So just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on phone again. So just simply rest your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to Search tab. In Search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here update button, just tap on it and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to our channel. Click like and bye.